Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm going to show you how to save time by making two amazing meals. A simple corned beef and cabbage, and then we're going to take some of that corned beef and make an amazing Reuben sandwich. I've just showed you how to save time by making two amazing meals, a delicious corned beef and cabbage stew and Reuben sandwiches. For more great recipes and ideas, be sure to visit Heinens.com.